In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save Twitter threads to Notion step by step, so you can organize valuable threads, ideas, and insights in one clean workspace. This is perfect if you use Twitter or X for learning, content ideas, or research, and you want a simple way to store threads without losing them in bookmarks. We'll be using Notion's built-in templates, so no complicated integrations or paid tools are required. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're on the home screen. This is where all your main pages and workspaces live. From here, look toward the top or sidebar and click on the small arrow or drop-down menu to access additional options. Once the menu opens, click on Templates. This takes you directly to the Notion template marketplace, where you can find pre-built setups for almost anything. Inside the template search bar, type the word thread. Give it a second to load, and you'll see different template options related to threads and social media planning. Look for the template called X or Twitter thread. Once you find it, click on it to open the template preview. This will show you exactly how the template is structured and what it includes. Next, click on the Add button. Notion will then ask where you want to add this template. Choose Add to Private, so it saves directly to your private workspace. After it's added, go back to your Notion home and click on the X or Twitter thread page you just added. This opens your new thread-saving workspace. From here, you can start saving Twitter threads by pasting the thread link, adding notes, summaries, or categorizing them however you like. This makes it incredibly easy to build a personal library of useful threads that you can reference anytime without scrolling endlessly on Twitter. And that's all there is to it. You successfully set up a simple and effective way to save Twitter threads to Notion. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.